What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made Loudoun School Buddy, which is my skill. So this is part 1 of the series, and I'll be posting many other parts in the coming days. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. So let's get on with the tutorial. Basically, I'm going to show you how I made the CSV of the A-Day, B-Day. So I went to a Loudoun County School website which had the A-Days and B-Days all color-coded and listed out for each month. So now I'm going to show you how I made the CSV. So I used a Google Sheet, as you can see here. Okay, so with this Google Sheet, I have set the date which I want it to start from at this day. And you might be wondering, how am I gonna get every single day by typing them in like this? Well, you know, typing them individually in. Well, you don't need to do that. All you have to do is come over here, hover over it, and then you can just pull down. So you just want to pull down till you hit somewhere in like the 300s. So you can stop once you see that you've hit somewhere in the 300s. And this is the starting day, which I've already put. So basically, I go to the calendar, I go to the day. As you can see, it's saying it's the 10th over here. And then the next day after the 10th, which is red on the calendar, is the 11th, and it's an A-Day. So you can conclude that it is an A-Day. And you just want to go on like this until you have all of it in your CSV.
2 hours later.
This is all the days which I have manually typed in, if it's an A-Day or a B-Day. So I typed in A, B, and you might be wondering what the W and the H stands for. So this W stands for weekend. Later on, we're gonna write a program which turns it from a W into a sentence saying it is a weekend. And as you can see, there's an H over here. This stands for holiday, and as I said before, we're gonna make a program which can like change the H into yay, it's a holiday. So yeah. So now once you've done that and you've got all of the days in, so I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a CSV. So you first want to go to File, click on it, go to New, Download, then go to Comma Separated Value, CSV. You want to click on that, and it's installing it to your computer. Okay. Let's create a new project. In my case, I'm using PyCharm. So you want to click Create New Project, and you want to click Pure Python, and then you want to put /lsb, and you want to click Create. So the first thing you're going to do is right click, and then go to hover over New, and then click Python file. And you want to name it Alexa _skill _lsb.py. Okay, so now once you've created that, you can leave this, and you want to right click again and click File, and you want to write requirements .txt. You want to click OK. Okay, so now you want to go to Google Chrome, and I'll have all the links posted in the description below. And this is a Hello World sample. So you're going to click on requirements, copy it, and then go back. Okay, now you want to install the requirements. So you want to go to the terminal and type this in, pip install -r requirements.txt, and enter. And this will bring in all the necessary packages you need to run our Alexa skill. Now let's copy our sample Alexa skill from the same website where we got the requirements.txt. So you want to go back to the same website and click out of requirements and go to hello world.py. You want to click raw, select all of it, copy it, and then go back to PyCharm and paste it. Okay, now you can set this aside and we can work on our schools.py. As we previously downloaded the days.csv, we can now import it into our project. So what you want to do is go to your folder and find it and click copy, and then go back to PyCharm and then just paste it, and then you can click OK, and now you have your days.csv. The next thing I'm going to do is write a function which can say what day is it. Now we are going to create a function which, given a date, can tell you the date. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is right click and create a new file called school.py. Okay, now you want to write def get underscore date underscore type open close parentheses a underscore date a underscore date colon return none. Because we have days.csv, we need to put a import module that can read the CSV. So what you want to do is put some spaces and write import CSV. Okay, and you want to hit another enter. And in order to load the CSV, we need to locate the path for it. For this, we need to put a path module. So yeah, we need to write from os dot path import dir name comma join. Let's define the path. So we can write days underscore file underscore path equal to join open close parentheses. You want to write dir name. Inside of that, another set of open close parentheses, two sets of underscores, and file, and another two sets, and then a comma, and then double quotes, and write days dot csv. And that's all. As you can see, the function is empty, so we're gonna write this. So what this means is it's basically going through every single row in our CSV and checking which day corresponds with the day which it's told to get. So yeah, you may be wondering what this code is doing. So on line 6, this line is opening the day's CSV file and putting it into a variable called days underscore file. And then the line after that, which is line 7, it uses the CSV module that we imported to read the CSV contents. And then the line after 7, which is 8, and then it's going to run a for loop. Line number 8, yeah, it's gonna run a for loop for every row in the CSV, and then checking if the date that is passed in as a parameter, a underscore date, corresponds with the one in the CSV row. If we find a match, it will return the day name. If it does not, the for loop will continue until the end and until it reaches the last line of the CSV. Now we can test this function. For this, we need to create a new file in LSV, new directory, and we want to name it test. Okay? And now you want to right click on test and you want to do new file school underscore test dot py. Okay, once you've done that, you want to write import date time, and you want to hit a space and write import school as s. And then now I'm gonna go to W3 schools and figure out how we can write a date. So what you want to do is copy this. Okay, once you've done that, you want to go back and then you want to hit a few spaces so we can see and paste it. Okay, now we want to write print open close parentheses x, enter, and then write y equal to x, y equal to x dot str f time, and then you want to do open close parentheses. Inside of that, you want to write in double quotes, you want to write percentage sign capital Y dash percentage sign lowercase m dash percentage sign lowercase d, and yeah, you want to enter and write print open close parentheses y. Once you've done that, you want to write z is equal to s dot get underscore date underscore type open close parentheses y, enter, print open close parentheses z. Now let's run the program. So we're gonna right click and click on run. And as you can see, the 19th is an A-day. And right here, it is an A-day. Now let's go back to our test and then put it on the 15th. And let's run it again. Let's go back, and as you can see, it is an A-day. So now, okay, sometimes when you talk to Alexa, it will not be able to properly hear what you are saying. So when this happens, the date will be none. So let's check out what happens to our program when none is passed into it. So let's go to schools.py, and write none. Okay, and then let's run it and see what happens. As you can see, it prints out none, and that's not what we need. So now we're gonna go to school.py, and then we're gonna add a piece of code which can default the date to today. And now we want to go back to schools._test.py, and then we're gonna run it this time. And as you can see, it is an A-day. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be posting many other videos in the coming days, so stay tuned and stay subscribed. Peace.